In figure 1, 1 grey, 1 white, total got 2. 1 grey, 1 white, so total got 2. Figure 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 grey, 1, 2, 2 white, 4 plus 2 is 6. That's how you see the pattern, just observe it. Figure 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, same. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay? Figure 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. You get 4, 4, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 12 plus 8, 20 total. Okay, so if you want to continue the next one, let's zoom in the numbers. This one is plus 3. Then suddenly this one is plus 2. Then suddenly this one plus 6. There's no pattern at all. Then you're a bit like, huh? How to do, right? Okay. This one plus 1. Then later you plus 4. Then you plus 2. Eh? Not much pattern also. So this one not much pattern, this one not much pattern, but this one got pattern. Okay? I know at the moment when you see like that, you plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, plus 10, right? This is one of the formula that is likely to be tested. So there is this number pattern, which is what we call consecutive even number. So what does it mean? You see the number, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. Why are they called consecutive even number? It's because 2 already, you plus 4 becomes 6. You 2, then you 4 already, then you 6 plus 6 give you 12. Then you 6 already, right? You 12, you plus 8 become 20. So you basically 2, then you plus 4, then you plus 6, then you plus 8 plus 10. It's like even numbers. So this one, the formula, right? Figure number times figure number plus 1. But the catch to be able to apply this formula is that you must start with 2. Here, you must start with 2 in the first number. If you didn't start with 2, you cannot use this. So let's try whether this formula work or not. Okay, let's go back to this question. This 2 is actually 1 times 2. This 6, right, is actually 2 times 3. This 12, right, is actually 3 times 4. This 20 is actually 4 times 5. And this 30 is 5 times 6. Then you realize it works. Okay? Then how does it link to the figure number? You'll see, if this is 1, this is also 1. If this is 2, this is also figure number 2. If this is 3, this is also figure number 3. How do you get this and this? I hope y'all can see a pattern here also. When you have odd number, what happens? You have odd number, your grey and the white same. See this? You look at this also. Odd number again, right? 6 and 6, same also. If this total is 30, now it's odd number again. Figure 5. So what do you think is the answer? 30 divided by 2. Because they will be same number. 15, 15 spread evenly. That's part A. How many white squares are there in figure 19? Figure 19 is even or odd first? Odd. Then all these that I highlight, right? That they will be same one, right? Is even or odd? Odd, right? So they are actually using the easier one. Easier row. Why easier row? Because it will be the same number of grey, same number of white. If it's figure 19, how do I find total square first? 19 times 20, because just now is figure 1, here is 1 times 2, right? Here is figure 3, here's 3 times 4, right? The number here and here, it will be the same, right? Then the adjacent number is always one more, right? So in figure 5, here is 5 times 6. So if it's figure 19, 19 times one more number bigger is 20, 380. And then the next step is, because odd number, you realize they are the same, right? You just need to divide by 2. 380 divided by 2. 190. Yeah? There can be other ways of doing. This was my method. Look at this. M2 was my method. M1, this one was my teacher's method. So there can be different ways of solving also. Now, part B. Now they don't give you odd number. They give you how many grey squares are there in figure 100? Even number. Okay. Because this is not odd number already, I cannot use the same way of doing, but I need to use slightly different way. I'm going to observe the even number now. Figure 2, figure 4, right? What we know is that the formula for total, we already know that is figure number times figure number plus 1. We know that this is 2 times 3 already. And we know that if this is figure 4, right? This is 4 times 5 already. But what we don't know is how the white and the grey are being linked together. Then I realized when I take 4, I minus 2, I will get 2 figure number. When I take 12, my grey minus my white 8, I will get 4 my figure number. When I take grey minus my white, right, I will get my figure number, and this only work for even number figure. If this is figure 100, right, first I can find out my total number of squares. So my total number of squares is 100 times 101 is 10100. That's the total. But then for even number, if you realize your grey is always more than your white, your grey 12, right, is always more than your white. So likewise, here your grey will be more than your white. So I'm going to draw a model. It's going to be more by how many? So if you realize the difference 4 minus 2, you get figure number 2, right? So if this is figure number 100, what is the difference between grey and white? Difference is 100. Why? Because you take grey minus white, the difference is the figure number. So if the figure number is 100 here, that is the difference between grey and white. Then if you draw a model very easy way, your total is 10100, right? So you just take 10100 minus 100, then you divide by 2 because you got 2 equal parts here and here. 5,000. Top part is 5,000, below is 5,000. Lastly, to find the grey, right, you just need to take 5,000, this one, plus the 100, you get 5100. Okay?